Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my relaxing self-care and pamper routine. And if you guys enjoy these types of videos, please make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to see more videos like this. So with that being said, let's get started. After a long day of working and filming content, I'm finally gonna have some me time and do a little bit of a self-care pamper routine. So first things first, I have to take off my makeup. I've been wearing it all day, and I'm going to be using my green tea and vitamin E cleansing balm from AOA Studio and my makeup remover wipes. I absolutely love using this cleansing balm. It just melts off my makeup so easy, and then I just go in with a makeup wipe, and this product doesn't break me out or give me any acne. It's just very easy to use. All of the products that I'm going to be mentioning in this video will be linked down below, just to give you guys a little heads up. Next, I'm going in with my colorless eyelash glue remover because I always have glue stuck on my lashes and it gets really annoying, so I recently started using this and it actually takes off the glue really well. Now it's time for me to take a nice relaxing shower, and I'm gonna go in with my Tree Hut Tropic Glow Sparkling Gel Wash. This is my first time trying this out and I actually love it. This gives my skin a really nice glow after I shower, and of course it just smells so good. And then I'm gonna use my exfoliating gloves to wash my body because it's always a must-have. Like, I have to use exfoliating gloves. Next, I'm going in with my Caress bar soap, and I just like only using this for washing my ears and my feet. Then I'm gonna go in with my Power Stick shave cream. I got that at the Dollar Tree. And this razor, I think it's the Venus razor. I'll link it down below, but that razor is my favorite and I've been using it non-stop. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Cocoa Colada Shea Sugar Scrub by Tree Hut. And actually, I haven't used this in a really long time, but I forgot how good this works. Like, it really makes my skin super soft and it gets like a little foamy too, which I really love, and it just smells so delicious. Then lastly, I'm gonna go in with my So Fresh and Clean Vaginal Wash. And this just helps balance everything out down there. I'm gonna go in with my favorite toner, which is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid. And I just like applying this on my armpits, and it just helps with the hyperpigmentation. I'm going in with my Maylis Be Lucid Body Acne Gel, and I like applying this on my chest and mainly my back because I do suffer with back acne, and I noticed that this has been helping a lot. Then I'm gonna go in with almond oil, and I just like applying this all over my body, but I'm not gonna apply it on my legs this time because I'm gonna try something different. Almond oil is really beneficial for the skin. It helps with scarring, stretch marks, and it just hydrates the skin. I'm gonna pair that with my Tropic Glow Shea Body Butter. I use different lotions and body butters often, but since I was using this earlier as a gel wash, I decided to use the body butter too. Going in with this aftershave cream because it helps with razor bumps and prevents them. I'm gonna go in with my new favorite body oil from Sappho Rose. This has sweet almond oil, apricot, rose petals, Moroccan argan oil, rose essential oil, vitamin E. This is going to help keep my legs nice and smooth. For my feet, I'm gonna go in with the Soap & Glory Heels Genius Hydrating Foot Cream. I love this foot cream because it has a cooling and refreshing sensation, and it has like a really deep hydration to it since I do suffer with dry feet sometimes. I'm going to be using that with these aloe vera heel gel socks. Wear these throughout the night and it just keeps my feet really moisturized. And lastly, for my body, I'm gonna go in with my Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Golden Scent, and this smells so good. I've been so obsessed with it lately. I usually do this in the shower, but for this video I'm just going to show you guys me doing it in the sink. So I am going to be washing my face with my La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I had used something different a few months ago, but I noticed when I use this it really helps with my skin. With acne, hyperpigmentation, dark spots from my acne scars. After I massage the foaming cleanser onto my face, I go in with my PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device, and this device vibrates all over my face and it just helps remove any makeup or anything that's like clogged up in my pores. So after I'm done doing a little bit of lip care, now I'm going to be preparing my face to extract these pores that I got going on. So first I'm going to be using this facial mister that I got off of Temu, and I'll link that video down below because I did a huge haul and I had found so many different finds on there, and this just helps open up my pores, and I do put rose water inside of it. I'm going to be using my PMD Wave Pro Advanced Skin Spatula. This is going to extract, infuse, and lift my skin, but this really takes out any type of gunk that I have in my pores, and it's so disgusting, oddly satisfying, but I like using this maybe once a week. This part I was waiting for, and I was super excited to show you guys because I'm gonna go in with my Hello Kitty face mask. This is just a face mask serum, and I just love how it has Hello Kitty on it. And I'm not like a huge Hello Kitty fan, but when it comes to stuff like this that is just super cute, like I just can't help it. It's just so cute. Then I'm going to be taking the leftover serum and apply it all over my neck and my chest because serums are really good for the skin. And then I'm going to be applying a lip mask, and with all of that being on my face, I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once I take that off and finish doing my skincare, I am going to be going in with my Laneige lip mask, and this is literally the best lip mask ever, or one of the best lip masks. It really keeps my lips super moisturized. And then I'm going back in with my PMD facial device, and I want to mention that on the other side of it, it has a white jade, so it gives like a cooling effect, and also you can turn it on to where you can make it warm, and I was using the warm part of it. I love using this. I've been using it for about a month or two now. It helps with the blood flow, it helps with deeper absorption and effectiveness whenever I apply moisturizers or serums on my face. Then lastly, I'm going in with my Baseal eye patches, and I've been using these for a while now. It helps with my under eye circles, darkness, and it just makes my under eyes look way more awake. And I just leave that on for about 15 to 20, maybe 30 minutes. Now it's time for me to wind down and relax, and while I do that, I enjoy doing some Bible studying before I go to sleep. It just helps me be more relaxed and I wake up in a really good mood. I was actually reading a different chapter in the Bible, but I wanted to show you guys what I had found in 1 Kings, and it just talks about the value of wisdom. I enjoy reading this part often because it just reminds me to continue praying about having godly wisdom and just to continue putting Jesus first, so all things will be added to me. Matthew 6:33. If you know, you know. Reading the word before I go to sleep and praying before I go to sleep is a must-have in my routine, no matter if it's pamper routine, night routine, whatever I'm doing is just a must-have in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of my self-care and pamper routine. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. Tap the bell button to be notified whenever I post. But I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.